Let's learn how to roller skate for kids. We'll learn all the basics of roller skating. Stay until the end to learn how to roller skate like a monkey. Ooh, ah. Let's go. Hello Cubs, it's me, Mr. Albie. Let's learn how to roller skate for kids. Roller skating is like having small cars on your feet. Why walk when you can roller skate? Roller skating is when you use roller skates to move around and go places. It's a fun activity and it's even a sport. Now, many kids and adults do roller skating at a roller rink like this one. And roller rinks have this hard, smooth floors, so it's a lot easier and safer to roller skate. First, let's get our safety gear and roller skates. Then, we need to do some stretches to warm up our body and muscles. It also helps prevent injuries. We're now warmed up, Cubs. Now it's time to put on our roller skates. First, you put your foot into the roller skate, just like when you put on your regular shoes. Cross and hook the laces over like this. Once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Now let's tie our roller skate shoelaces. Tie a knot, make 2 bunny ears and some whiskers. Wowza! Now that our roller skates are on, we'll also put on our safety gear. We have knee pads to help protect our knees and legs, elbow pads to protect our arms, wrist guards to protect our hands and wrist, and finally, our helmet to protect our head. Cuberific! We're ready! Let's learn how to start roller skating for beginners. Come on, I'll show you. First, put your feet into a V shape with your heels together. Then, drop your hips down right here. What you want to do is put your arms out, palms facing to the ground, and then you need to lean forward and put your chin up and keep your stomach tight and your shoulders straight. What you need to do after you do this position is you can balance your body from left to right. Shift your body weight from each foot. First, let's start with this leg. As you go along, lift your leg up and then shift it over to the other leg. Let's try again. Chin up. Remember, don't look down. Arms out. Palms down. V-shape with your feet. So you shift your body weight from left to right. Transfer the balance of your body just like a penguin from left to right. Then you can move forward. Let's practice roller skating and go around the roller rink. I'll teach you how to stop on roller skates. The first way is to use objects in front of you to help you stop. You can use a wall or a pole like this. Make sure to bend your arms so you don't hurt yourself. Ah! Like that. You can also use a pole. Don't forget to bend your arms. Another way to stop is called a toe stop, using this brake here on your roller skates. The other way to stop is called a plow stop. Spread your legs, get down low, like that. Now I'll teach you how to roller skate different directions. You'll learn how to turn right and left and how to roller skate backwards. So how do you turn left and right on roller skates? All you have to do is you have to shift your body weight left and right. look where you're gonna go and shift your body weight and turn your body in that direction. Let's turn this way. I'll teach you how to roller skate backwards. Start off with your toes together like this, then bend down, then put your weight on different sides to push yourself back. Let's play an obstacle course game. We're going to use these cones and put them right in front of us, and we're going to try and maneuver around and go as fast as we can. Let's see how we go. Terrific! This roller rink is so colorful, so let's play the colorful block scoop game. We're gonna put all these colorful blocks down onto the ground, and then we'll go as fast as we can to try and scoop as many of them and then put them into this rainbow bag. Oh yeah, I got purple. Whoop! I got purple, blue, orange, red, and yellow. I got all of them. Put them here in this rainbow colorful bag. Wowza! Boom! Now we're gonna learn how to fall safely on roller skates for beginners. Now, the fear of falling is something that a lot of beginner roller skaters have. It's a kind of fear that many have.
You don't want to fall like this. Ouch!
If you want to fall down safely, there's 3 things that you can do. First is to bend down low so you're closer to the ground and you're more stable. So that means if you do fall, then you won't get hurt as much. You can also fall down on your knee pads if you have them. The first thing you can do is fall on one knee. Whoa, I'm gonna fall! Boom! Plant one of your knees right down, and as you can see, your knees will actually be protected by the knee pads. It's a lot safer. And it will save you from falling down and hurting yourself. The knee pads will keep your knees safe. You can also go down on 2 knees, and that's called the rock star fall. Here, I'll show you. Like this. Whoa, I'm about to fall. Bam! Like a rock star. Caberific! Let's learn how to dance on roller skates for beginners. Usually when you roller skate, your arms are going to be free, so you can be free and dance with your arms, move around like this. Usually at roller rinks, they've got music in the background, so it's a lot of fun. Let's dance! You can do an actual 2-step move, and it involves using your feet and having your toes touch together and opening them up in a V position and doing that. And as you do that, you can move your arms. I'll show you. Here's how you do it. Put your toes together, have them start like this, then you open them up into the V shape, go back and forth, left and right. There you go. But dancing on roller skates is all about having fun. Haha! Let's play the monkey race game. Get out your inner monkey. It's a great roller skating game for beginners. Just bend down, do a squat, and move yourself forward with your arms like a monkey. I'll show you, come on. was really good. Roller skating sure is fun. I encourage you to go roller skating whenever you can. Until next time, Cubs, away!